We would like to launch, right, a very special, I would say, joint campaign. CVSKL is doing such a collaboration. It's in conjunction with World Heart Day 2019, and no, this campaign is going to go on until end of this year. And I'm pretty much excited. I would like to invite Mr. Anwar Anis, the CEO of CVSKL, to give a few words. Welcome.
And a very good morning to everyone. A warm welcome to Yang Berbahagia Datuk Dr. Nurul Amin Muhammad Isha, Chairman of Qualitas Healthcare, Vice President, Tricorp Private Limited, Mr. I don't think we've got doctors here, they're all busy, we're having an audit. Firstly, a very good morning. The sun is shining, so I said the same, a lot of sunlight on my face, but that's good, I suppose. After so many days of depressing, and the cloud cover suddenly comes in, so that's even better. But certainly today it's an exciting event for us. It's sort of the kickstart for our cardiac heart health campaign with World Heart Day coming up. And so, and we're really excited for this campaign. CVSKL and Qualitas will be providing free ECG of Qualitas for the next 3 months from October to, we'll maximize it and do up to, maybe up to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 or whatever it is that we've committed to do. I think each of the centers we hope to achieve at least 100 ECGs every month, but we'll be happy to do more. And hopefully that will then raise awareness among the public, especially those who are above 40 and have multiple comorbidities. A short event, and we hope that this is the first of many collaborations dedicated cardiac center, and hence we do want to take the lead in terms of devices in KL Sentral and other buildings around KL Sentral as well as part of our CSR campaign. And so this is another initiative that we hope will continue every year, maybe with, if Dr. Nurul Amin feels that it's a positive collaboration, but certainly for the hospital, we feel it's the right step forward. So without further ado then, I would like to just, on behalf of CVSKL, thank everyone for being here this morning, and for Tricorp Private Limited as well for supporting us in this collaboration. And with that.
Thank you, Mr. Anwar. And now I would like to invite the chairman of Qualitas Health, Dr. Nurul Amin Muhammad Isha, to come up to give his speech. Ladies and gentlemen.
Thanks, Mangadon. You're right, man. The sign is really showing. Okay, it won't take long. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. And good morning to every one of you. Mr. Anwar Anis, representatives from Tricorp KL. It's a pleasure to be here because I'm advocate that, I'm against these multidisciplinary hospitals. I think Anwar knows that, I'm ready to do more than what they're doing now, so that they'll be able to channel respective cases accordingly to their, able to really deliver better healthcare. Not beating around the bush and all over the departments. You're very focused on what you want. My ambitions in the evolvement of healthcare, that I think the day should come when this 1,000-bedded hospital, 600 beds should be the history, and we should have smaller hospitals on a super specialized basis, where doctors do a lot of research and the clinical outcomes are much better. I'm a very supportive of that. I think even before the inception of CVS, I've been in touch with Tan Sri and Dato Tamil Chelvan on this concept for a long, long time. I'm glad that Qualitas has been able to work in association with CVSKL to deliver added value to our patients, patients who have to be screened. This actually, people don't realize that actually you don't have to have a chest pain to have a heart attack. Actually, it's a silent killer. They won't appreciate the pain. So I think it's important, the screening of, we are glad that we're able to offer it to our patients at no cost, and as a second opinion, advantage of, and get a screening done. And I think we are prepared to continue to really, not only because it is national, a hard day, but in any other day, because you will have problems on any other day, and we are prepared to do that as part of our added value services to the community at large. Since Qualitas has got a quite extended network of clinics across the country, to about 200 clinics we manage. We are starting on a pilot project of about 10, then extending to 20. And if things work out, I think we will be able to jointly, along with CVS, able to offer these services on a wider range, so we can catch some of these conditions earlier than much later, where it will be difficult to really and more costly to manage these situations. With that, I thank TRICOG as well as CVS for giving opportunity to jointly provide this service to the community at large, and this during this month as well as going forward. And I think it's set up for a different purpose. They're just using it to do that, because I was going around the second floor looking for a place where is this function signing ceremony, but service to our community at large. Thank you very much.
Thank you for the wonderful speech, Dato'. Okay, and now we will come to the point where we're going to launch a campaign. So give me a while I boot up the backdrop again, because this is a company issue laptop, so they have this security policy where it can't flash for a bit too long. Okay, so now what we're going to do next is actually we're going to do a countdown to the event, right? So before we can start the countdown, I would like to invite Mr. Anwar Anis, Dr. Nur Amin, and also Mr. Samir to come up here. Okay, I'm just going to brief you what to do next, okay? So I'm going to pass you here so you will hold this needle, but don't put balloon first. Don't poke each other, it's not a blood test. So what we do now is, okay, I'm going to do a countdown. All right, so I see the numbers, feel free to count down together with us. So once it's done, I will say, ladies and gentlemen, you can just poke the balloon. So I'm going to start the countdown now. Okay, music please. I did the music there. Ready, yeah? I'm going to start the countdown. Camera. 1, 2, 3. So now, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The Qualitas Heart Health Campaign. Thank you very much. And now I would like to invite TRICOG. Okay, Mr. Liu, Prashant. Thank you very much, gentlemen. So with that ends. Will start on 1st October, right after World Heart Day. So just do let your friends know. Okay, we are going to publish the list of Qualitas clinics where you can get the self-check for the ECG. So with that, I would like to invite our guests to the dish room for refreshments. With that, thank you for coming, ladies and gentlemen. Have a nice day.